Hi everyone, I just received the Mi 10. So I already made a review about the Mi 10 Pro. This one I got from the Mi Explorer program. So this was only a prototype that I had to send back, but now I have the Mi 10. So let's do some unboxing and see what's inside of the box. On the box we can see the 10 logo with nice reflection, as well as the logo with the high resolution audio and 5G. On the bottom of the box we can see the model, the Mi 10 Twilight Grey. This is the 8GB and 128GB of storage, and on the side a little sentence saying with easy access to the Google application that you use the most. I wonder what other Chinese brand has some issue with Google right now. Now let's open the box. We find the usual objects, the manual, the tool to eject the SIM card, a USB-C to jack converter, which can be very practical, and finally a transparent rigid protective case. We also have of course a 30-watt charger power supply with a USB-C cable. Let's see the phone. We find the main characteristic on the protective plastic, the Snapdragon 865, the 108 megapixel, 8K video, the screen of 6.67 inches at 90 Hz and the battery of 4780 mAh with the fast charge of 30 watt wired and wireless. This is one of the differences with the Pro version, which has a higher fast charge at 50 watt. On the back we see that the phone only supports a nano SIM, no dual SIM or micro SD support. We now remove the protection and we see that the phone is very pretty. The stereo speakers, this large screen and this back which reflects the light, and also some fingerprints. I skipped the first configuration that I already showed you in previous videos. I also did the data transfer from my Mi Note 10 to the Mi 10 because it is now the phone that I will use. The transfer is very easy via Bluetooth and the whole procedure is explained step by step. We now have a ready to use phone, and as you can see everything is fluid. The screen responds well, unlocking with the fingerprint is fast. We can go for a little tour on the side of the camera. The different modes are there, and the Pro mode also to come and configure the whole in depth. Here is now what the protective case looks like. It looks really good. I don't know if you can see it perfectly on your screen, but it stands out slightly just in front of the lenses, on the back and in front of the screen. This way the phone won't rest on it if you put it down. Of course this phone costs around 800 euros, but I'm pretty happy to have this USB-C to jack adapter, which is really useful if you, like me, want to use an external microphone when you do some filming. The protective case is very nice too. This is a really hard one, so I won't have to replace it. Usually I don't keep those regular plastic things that are not very solid, so this way I won't have to buy a new one right away. But this one is very nice. I used to prefer the color of the Mi 10 Pro, the matte version, but as I'm always using a protective case, I won't see it anyway, so that's not a big deal. As I told you, it will replace my Mi Note 10. Mi Note 10 is still a great phone, but since I have the Mi 10, this one will be better, I guess. And since I have the two phones available, the Mi Note 10 and the Mi 10, I will do some comparative review of the two phones. So if you want to see that test and other Xiaomi review, you may want to subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.